Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you an energy-saving product, RAETTS Maglev Centrifugal Chiller. This is our chiller. The first part, the blue part, is our compressor. The second part, wrapped in black cotton, is our evaporator. The third part, the white tank, is our condenser. The fourth part is our electronic control system. What are the advantages of RAETTS Maglev Centrifugal Chiller compared to traditional screw machines? First, is the high speed. RAETTS Maglev compressor has a maximum speed of 48,000 revolutions per minute, while the traditional screw machine only has 3,800 revolutions per minute, and our equipment operation efficiency is higher. Second, the comprehensive energy efficiency value. Our comprehensive energy efficiency value is around 12. While the traditional screw machine is only more than 5 points, compared to the traditional screw machine, our comprehensive energy saving rate is more than 30%. Save more energy and save money. The third point is noise. The noise of our chiller is about 60 decibels. We are quieter and more environmentally friendly than traditional screw machine. The fourth is the maintenance and lifespan that everyone is most concerned about. Traditional screw machines require regular refueling and replacement of filter elements. Maintenance work is relatively complicated. Traditional screw machines require overhaul every 6-8 years and have a lifespan of 15 years at most. Our Maglev chiller is oil-free and does not require complicated maintenance work. It is blessed with magnetic levitation technology and has a lifespan of 30 years. Everyone looks over here. This is our cooling tower. Over there is the energy storage tank, which plays an energy storage role, so we store ice or cold in the summer and produce hot water in the winter. It is a dual working system. So here is the operation interface of our chiller. There are some buttons on it, which are very simple to operate. You can set them according to the working conditions you need. So here we can see 4 pumps. Here are freezing pump, and the next 2 are cooling pumps. Their operation mode is one for use and one for standby. Then the application scenarios of our chiller are divided into factory process working conditions and air conditioning working conditions. The air conditioning working conditions are such as office buildings, hospitals, data centers, large shopping malls, and other fields. The process working conditions are such as poo factories and chemical plants, beverage factories, pharmaceutical factories, etc. For example, if the chilled water of chemical plants needs to be sub-zero or sub-zero, we can do it. Including this system, we can store ice, even at temperatures from -18 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. A frozen ice storage form makes our application range wider. It's so hot. Let's go inside and feel the cooling effect of our chiller. So cool. Oh, by the way, more cooling energy-saving solutions are needed. Please contact RAETTS.